Morning ladies and gentlemen, it's Chris, Oz Canopies and 4x4 back here again. What do we got? Mercedes X-Class. It's always good to see one of these. I feel like they never got the respect that they deserved. But what are we doing today? We're gonna remove one of our original, this roller shutter must be at least 4 or 5 years old, all right? Roller shutters, and we're going ahead and fitting our sort of current generation roller shutter, and also on top of that, getting a tub rack assembled and fitted as well. Other than that, let's get right into it. Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, hopefully you enjoyed that assembly and fit process of our new generation manual roller shutter. We do now have these available back due to popular demand for the X classes. We didn't have them available here for a little while, but we brought them back. So, fitted, assembly, fit, very straightforward. We've got our, what do we call this again? This is called the tub rack. Half size tub rack available as well. So if you want to mount your rooftop tent or whatever it might be, absolutely the best solution. You want to carry material, you have absolutely no worries at all, up to 100 kilograms loading capacity on these tub racks. So we'll go through the operation of the roller very quickly. Pull first, press the button. Once you press the button, you can roll it all the way forward. If you didn't want it to go all the way, you've got a controller underneath over here, which is going to be a little bit difficult to manipulate. No, we got it. And you can stop it halfway like so. So very, very straightforward. If you want to grab one for yourself, ozcanopies.com.au is the place to go. Other than that, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and we'll see you guys on the next one.